This is the P10. It's a classic mask that's been around for a long time. Now they've just done a bit of a revamp to it. This for years and years didn't have the option to do a tightening on the mask, but you can actually adjust the headgear now. P10's a very easy mask to use. Typically when I tell people to put it on, you want to put these in first, hold the strap that's going to be towards the back part of your head, and put the pillows in, pull it on. You'll notice the top piece comes right where it should. The back is right where it should be. And the pillows, usually you want to make sure that they're taking up your whole nostril in this case. So just pull them forward. If you're getting any whistling, it could be incorrect sizing, or it could be that the pillow is folded up. Sometimes if you get them kind of like that, and it's hard to see. But if you're not getting a good airflow through it, pull them down, reseat them, make sure they're in the right spot. Nice thing about the new revamp they've done is you can actually pull this now and tighten that headgear up. So very simple to tighten. It almost should pop straight into place. Now to take it off, just pull it up and off. As far as disassembly and maintenance on it, you'll notice on this, each size will have a different color, but there's two gray tabs. The gray tabs are the medium. If you pinch right here, the cushion's gonna come off. These are your pillow cushions. I'd recommend washing these as close to daily as you can. Just a quick wipe, or take them in the shower with you to get and wash them with warm soapy water. And I would try and do that as close to daily as you can. As far as the headgear's kind of interesting. It's designed to stretch. If you pull the headgear from here, it's going to peel off. There's almost a little hook of plastic right there that holds that in place. So you're going to peel that off. And on this particular one, so on the newer headgear that has the adjustable straps, you have kind of a blue stripe on the inside. Before it was all blue on the older models. But what they recommend is to wash this as close to daily as you can, or not daily, but weekly as you can. I like laundry detergent. Just hand wash the laundry detergent or a mild dish soap. You want to run it under warm water and then let it air dry. It will shrink it back up, and it helps keep its elasticity. When you're putting it back in, you've got a little arrow on the edge here, and it's going to tell you basically to put the arrow in that little flap. It's kind of hard to see the hole of where to put it, but just slide it in there. I do like that they've put a little rubber piece here so you can know where to pull it. And a lot of times you just got to thread it through, pull it over the edge, and you're right in place there. Same thing on the other side. And again, on the new, the blue stripe goes on the inside, or the blue piece goes in the inside on the old headgear. Slide it right in there. Pull, and you've got it. Wash the tube out once a week, just warm soapy water again. Squeeze a dish soap, let the water run through it, and wash it out really well and let it air dry. You will have some little vents. You'll feel a little bit of air coming out here, and that's where your CO2 is coming out on the P10.